Welcome to 3446 Mount Everest Boulevard, right here in the heart of Clairemont. This property is fully remodeled. It has a new roof, luxury vinyl plank flooring, a brand new kitchen, brand new bathrooms, and it is 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's check out all the features of this property. Let's go look inside. So as we walk in through the modern front door, you'll notice that it has luxury vinyl plank flooring, recessed lighting, and a really cool, open, spacious front living room layout. As you walk through the kitchen, you'll notice it has the quartz countertops, the stainless steel appliances, the modern white shaker cabinets with the black finishes, and it just has a spacious layout with a lot of natural light coming through the front side of the house, and so it is the dream kitchen. The primary bedroom is extremely spacious and it has a huge sliding door which brings in a lot of natural light, but also a really cool view of the spacious backyard, and then we can check out the primary suite as well. The primary bathroom is one of my favorite parts of this property because it has the double vanities and it has the quartz countertops that match the kitchen, and then it has this huge walk-in shower, which I really love. So the backyard is actually accessible by 3 locations. So 1 from the primary suite right behind me here, 2 from the living room area here with the French doors, and then 3 from the other side of the kitchen. You have access to the backyard as well. And so this is the beautiful covered patio. And as you can see, we have brand new grass and some mulch here that really brings the backyard to life. Now we're in the spacious backyard. As you can see, there's a lot of space for activities, maybe adding an ADU, but also it has its privacy because it backs up to the canyon, and so you have no neighbors behind you. And so if you are looking for a property just like this in the heart of Clairemont, 3446 Mount Everest Boulevard could be the perfect property for you.